Today we are going to learn informal and formal with thok nath. Live, recite. Lord Kenikel. Live, recite mean guachianga. Help, assist, it is the same word. Lord look mean look in thok nath. Help, assist, Lord look. Number 3, Diodian. Begin, commence. Begins and commence mean thok in thok nath. Begin a thok door, commence Bahama talk door, thok here talk. Number 4, finally, eventually. Eventually, can I finally, Lord can in Kelama. Men jock. Malat your care jock, here, Mitch door to a care jock, Dongara Mitch Jane, Karach. Bukula finally. Finally, eventually. Mitch to a care, me jockama, men jock. Number 5 is stop, cease. Stop and cease, Lord Kenikel, cap chong. Makap ko door chong, Mite kor Mitch to a kete Michola, de na jogono cap of kor chong. De na jogono ceased, ke stopped. Mitem larado, milarode. Stop and cease mean the same thing, cap chong. Number 6, need, require. Need and require mean the same thing. Require and need. Lord and men gorke, it mean men gorke in thok nath, men gorke. Number 7, rich, wealthy. Rich and wealthy mean the same thing. Riang, chalka ke riang. But, however, dung ni o, Lord ne dung ni o ka thok nath. Put in, insert, less near it, less door it, re dorka. Put in, Lord no, you insert it, ke put it in. Put in, insert, Lord ne, less near it. Number 10, keep and preserved. Keep kind of preserved, and mutauka dong bajika yo ke bajika guasan be. Tawa ke de larano, keep it with you, preserve it. Tawa atekeji, ke atekeji, tawa. Number 11, anyways. Lord nevertheless. Nevertheless and anyway mean the same thing. Shang nemo. Nevertheless, do know. Kel a mutual informal, rather a formal. Anyways, can I nevertheless shang nemo. Number 12, go ahead. Proceed. Proceed and go ahead. Lord can I kill. Go ahead or proceed mean werkawa. Werkawa niam in thok nath werkawa. Go ahead, you can say go ahead, ke werkawa niam. You can say also proceed. Mlono werkawa. Ke go ahead, ke proceed, ke werkawa kathok nath werkawa. Number 13, make up, invent. Make up ke misha invent a mishalat. Mishalat ke door mishari aleka. Make up. Make up mean invent. And invent mean mishalat ke door mishari aleka. Number 14, give up. Give up ke quit. Give up and quit. Give up is informal and this is formal. Quit ke give up mi pali do dong chlat chabech. De jogono quit ke wo road. Micha go de jogono palat. Quit your job. Ke quit what you are doing. Quit lono pala. Mi pali do. Lorne give up. And give up lorne quit. Give up and this is quit mean pala in thok nath. Please try to share this with others because they have to learn these informal and formal words in English and thok nath. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shut in Nuer. Thank you. Bye bye.